Welcome to the best picks. The best emergency car kit is probably one of the most important purchases you can make for your vehicle, ensuring you're prepared for unexpected situations on the road, from flat tires and engine trouble to severe weather conditions that may leave you stranded. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the world of emergency car kits, focusing on the critical role of a shovel and other essential tools that can mean the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major emergency. Number 5. Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit. It's incredibly sturdy and impact-resistant. This case will protect your kit during outdoor adventures, road trips, or even just at home. With 348 pieces, it's one of the most complete first aid kits available. You'll be prepared for a wide range of injuries and emergencies. Its well-organized interior makes finding what you need simple. It's compact enough for any car, bag, or backpack. It also includes a smaller kit with 32 essential items. This is perfect for everyday emergencies or carrying in a purse or pocket. It features a unique two-way opening, making it incredibly convenient to access supplies quickly. This design is unlike any other on the market. This kit is eligible for use with flexible spending accounts and health savings accounts. Check with your provider for details. What we like. It has an incredible number of medical supplies and a unique dual-opening design for easy access. Plus, it includes a bonus mini kit for everyday emergencies. If you need a fully comprehensive kit with extra convenience, this is the one for you. What people say. Small size is perfect while large enough to contain all needed for an emergency. A good starter first aid kit for our office. I added up more items to cover our needs in first aid, which is absolutely optional since I am a pharmacist. I put in more flexible fabric latex-free bandages of the most common size, which is never too much once you have a full office of people, single packs of triple antibiotic ointment, 3M Steri-Strip skin closures, more single packs of alcohol prep pads, and single packs of iodine swabs. General first aid kit with some survivals tools. Premium quality. Everything you need for general purpose first aid is there. Lightweight and compact size. Number 4. Thrive 104-piece emergency kit. It has everything you need for roadside emergencies. This kit is a lifesaver, ensuring you're prepared for anything. From jumper cables and a first aid kit to tools and an escape hammer, it's got you covered. You'll find everything you need to handle most roadside situations. It's built to last with sturdy 600D nylon and 8-gauge jumper cables. Its tough materials will withstand the wear and tear of daily use. The tools are premium quality, built to endure. You can depend on them when you need them most. It comes in 6 stylish colors, so you can find one that suits you. There's a perfect kit for everyone. It's the ideal companion for any journey. It also makes a thoughtful and practical gift for friends and family. What we like. This kit is packed with 105 essential items, including jumper cables, in a tough, water-resistant bag. It's perfect for drivers who want a reliable, all-in-one solution. If you prioritize durability and having jumper cables, this is the kit for you. What people say. It is a compact bag that will fit into the trunk of any car. The way it is packaged allows you to easily see and retrieve the items needed without rummaging through the entire bag. It's got everything you need for any event of an emergency, all in a mobile kit you can stick anywhere in your car. This kit has everything you need for a road emergency, and it's all packed in a nice, reflective bag. The bag takes up nearly no space in my trunk. Number 3. Car Emergency Roadside Kit. It has everything you need for roadside emergencies. This kit is packed with 124 essential tools and supplies to help you stay safe. This kit includes UL-certified jumper cables for reliable and safe jump starts. The heavy-duty clips and reinforced cables are built to last. The compact toolbox keeps all your emergency tools organized and easily accessible. Everything has its place for quick and easy use. This isn't just any shovel, it's a lifesaver. Use it to dig your tires out of mud or snow, or even break glass in an emergency. It's also great for camping and outdoor adventures. It's lightweight and compact, so it fits easily in your car without taking up much space. Keep it in your trunk, back seat, or even your spare tire compartment. Give the gift of safety and peace of mind. It's ideal for new drivers or anyone who wants to be prepared for unexpected situations on the road. What we like. With 124 pieces, including a heavy-duty, multi-tool shovel and safe jumper cables, this kit is perfect for off-road adventures. If you're looking for a kit with extra tools and a shovel, this is the best option. What people say. The scope of items in the kit is excellent. It provides you something to help in almost any situation. The shovel and tire-down straps are sturdy. Long jumper cables of fairly good quality. Toolbox has all the basics to MacGyver your way out of most situations: pliers, screwdrivers, crescent wrench, Allen wrenches, measuring tape, box cutter, electric tape. Number 2. Roadside Assistance Emergency Kit. It's always better to be prepared for unexpected situations on the road. This kit ensures your safety and peace of mind. This kit has everything you might need in an emergency: jumper cables, tow strap, flashlight, first aid kit, and more. It's designed to handle a variety of roadside mishaps. It's lightweight and compact, easily fitting in your car without taking up much space. You'll always have it on hand when you need it. This kit prioritizes your safety with items like a safety vest, warning triangle, and a seatbelt cutter. Stay visible and protected. Give the gift of safety and preparedness to your loved ones. It's a practical and valuable present for any driver. Every item in this kit is made with premium materials and meets safety regulations. You can trust its reliability in any situation. What we like. This kit has everything you might need, from jumper cables to a safety vest, all in a compact, easy-to-store bag. If you want peace of mind knowing you have all the essentials, this is the kit for you. What people say. He's not had to use this set, but it looks like he'd have just about anything he'd for a breakdown. It comes in a small bag that fits perfectly in my back seat. Has everything you need for an emergency on roadside. Number 1. Vetoos Car Emergency Kit. It has everything you need to stay safe on the road, from jumper cables and a reflective vest to a tow rope and tire pressure gauge. Plus, it includes less common but vital items like a safety hammer and emergency blanket. These jumper cables are fully covered with premium PVC to protect you from shocks. The heavy-duty clamps and thick core ensure a reliable connection, even in cold weather. This shovel is compact at 16.5 inches and includes a carrying pouch. It's versatile, perfect for digging, sawing, and more, helping you out of tough situations. The kit contains all the essential tools for emergency repairs and DIY projects. Everything is neatly organized in a handy case for easy access and portability. With its comprehensive supplies and durable tools, this kit gives you the confidence to handle unexpected roadside challenges. Be prepared for almost anything. What we like. This kit includes essential roadside supplies, reliable jumper cables with fully coated clamps, and a handy foldable shovel. If you value safety and versatility, this is the kit for you. What people say. This kit is chock full of items. Some of the items a bit on the cheap side, but wholly adequate for one-time use with the cheapest items and long-term multiple use for many of the tools. My favorite thing about this kit is actually the bag the whole thing is packed in. It has a great shape, appears sturdy, and is attractive black with an orange reflective stripe. The folding shovel is a cool tool. It seems very sturdy and has several functions. It can be a regular trowel-type shovel, an ice pick, snow shovel, and more. Everything was packaged really well, and everything seems to be decent quality. Everything was there, in new condition, and it all went back in the bag easily. The jumper cables were thicker than what came OEM with my Atlas, so that was a nice surprise. This does come with a nice window punch seatbelt cutter combo, so I would highly recommend that you take that out of the bag and put it in the center console or door storage pocket so that it's within easy reach in case of a water or overturn incident. This kit includes everything that is needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.